Hey there, it's Wake Angel 2001 coming at you with a special unboxing video because this is something that I ordered for myself, so I'm pretty certain what's in here. I got it from GameStop. What's in this box should be the new what is the current line? It's a Transformers Airazor figure, like Airazor. I thought she wasn't coming out until May, so the fact that it's only mid-April and it's already here in my hand, that's pretty cool. As of this recording, it is Sunday, so this arrived, this was shipped by a FedEx rather than USPS. I was a little bit upset, but fortunately I happened to be home, so hooray, as long as you're home, then the FedEx guy is good. But if you missed the FedEx guy, then ugh. At least this guy was competent enough to figure out how to use the phone entry system in my building, because you'd be surprised how many don't know that. Anyway, this seems to be held closed with just adhesive on the sides, and ooh, that's sticky. That's very sticky. Okay, so let's in there. Oh boy. Today on Wake Angel 2001's channel, a YouTuber looks like a pathetic little twig that can't unstick some postage glue. Alright, so this is basically the order number receipt. Okay. Hey, box is dented. Oh well, I'm not here for the mint and box collection. I only ordered like, oh my god, look at that! That's awesome. So let's see, this is Transformers Kingdom War for Cybertron Trilogy, Airazor, and that is some box art. Look at that beautiful box art. I'm gonna do a proper. Wow, there's like no text on the back of this. It's literally just pictures. I'm used to there being like a character bio in this section. Maybe some text specs, but that's not here. Okay, so we'll take a better look at the packaging and I'm gonna do a proper review video. But for now, I think I can use the rest of this unboxing time to just talk about my love of this particular character, because Airazor was one of my favorite characters from the original Beast Wars cartoon, and not because of the whole executives think that I don't like female characters, so I automatically do Rebellion. Like, no, like when the Beast Wars cartoon came out, I was in my early teens, so you know, like this isn't a thing that I hadn't quite developed that yet. No, like the episode where she was introduced is actually genuinely good and suspenseful. Basically, her stasis pod crashed to Earth and was damaged in such a way that that the protoform inside was dying. Rhinox worked the entire episode to get the thing fixed, and the protoform was still gonna die because it had the misfortune of landing in a wasteland where there were no animals to scan. But then at the last minute, a Falcon managed to barely fly into the DNA scanner's range, and thus Airazor was born. Airazor is a really cool character. She was one of the only other Maximals that was able to fly, Optimus being the only other one. And she even had a bit of well, there was a bit of controversy involving her gender. Apparently, when they made the toy for her, they didn't know that it was going to be a female character, so they just kind of made a generic bird transformer without really keeping any feminine proportions in mind. And apparently, various dubs weren't aware of that either. Here in America, we all know she was introduced to us as a female character straight off the bat, but apparently in the Japanese dub of Beast Wars, they introduced her as a male character. Now, the toy is androgynous enough that kind of works either way, but what kind of didn't was the character's writing, as it wouldn't be very long before they had a romantic subplot going on between Airazor and Tigatron, the other Maximal who was born of a protoform on Earth. So Congratulations, Japan! You sort of accidentally created the first gay relationship in Transformers canon, and you did it in the mid-90s, which was a pretty homophobic decade, as if I'm being completely honest with myself. So, yeah, take that. That's what you get for changing your character's gender. You end up on the suddenly gay board on Reddit. So, yeah, because of this, I have, well, not because of that, but I have very strong attachments to this character, and I think she's kind of awesome. And I have been trying to fill in that AirRaiser-shaped hole in my life because I didn't really collect Transformers when I was younger. So I ordered off of eBay this one of the old AirRaiser figures. It didn't have any accessories and was slightly damaged. But then I sent it to a DeviantArt toy customizer, Unicron 9. I have his channel name on my thing so I don't mess it up. And I had him customize that figure into a near masterpiece level, like what he claims. It's really good. It's a great custom. It has held up for all these years. Yep. So this has had a prominent place on my display shelf, front and center. I love this custom of one of my favorite Beast Wars characters, and he did a really good job in capturing the show colors. So this is probably the most show accurate AirRaiser figure that I have, even taking the Kingdom one into account, because if you see, the Kingdom's colors are a little bit more light, but you know, we'll get to that in the review. And I even actually went and hunted down the AirRaiser repaint of Windblade. Not sure if this is a Transformers Collector Club or some other convention exclusive, but you know, it is kind of a rare sought after repaint, and you know, I just like AirRaiser enough that I went ahead and got it. But now, I finally have a proper AirRaiser figure that is official. And I've seen the preview pictures online, and she looks pretty freaking great. So, let's go ahead and, well, we're going to end this video now, but coming very soon, like probably less than an hour after this uploads, you'll be getting a proper review video of this one. So let's go ahead and do that.